Have you ever heard of rocks that seem to move all by themselves? Today, we're uncovering the mystery of the sailing stones of Death Valley, where rocks glide across the desert floor without any visible help. Stick around until the end to find out the surprising scientific explanation behind this natural wonder. And before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more weird science content. The sailing stones of Death Valley are one of nature's greatest mysteries. Located in the Racetrack Playa, a dry lake bed in California, these stones leave long tracks in the cracked mud, seemingly moving across the desert floor on their own. But how do they do it? The stones, also known as sliding rocks, have puzzled scientists for decades. The tracks can be straight, curved, or even meandering, and the stones themselves can weigh up to several hundred pounds. Despite the absence of witnesses to these movements, the tracks are real and undeniable. For years, researchers speculated about various explanations for the stones' movement. Some proposed that the stones were pushed by strong winds or that they were moved by magnetic forces. Others suggested that ice or water might play a role in the movement. However, none of these theories could fully explain the phenomenon. In recent years, scientists have finally solved the mystery of the sailing stones. In 2014, a team of researchers set up a series of cameras and sensors at Racetrack Playa to capture the movement of the stones. They discovered that a unique combination of conditions causes the stones to move. Here's how it works. During the winter months, a thin layer of ice forms on the surface of the playa. When the ice is thin and fragile, it can break into large floating sheets. As the ice melts, it forms a thin layer of water that creates a slick surface. When light winds blow across the playa, they can push the ice sheets and the rocks along the ground. This process causes the rocks to slide slowly across the surface, leaving tracks behind them. This discovery not only solved the mystery of the moving rocks, but also demonstrated the complex interplay of environmental factors in natural phenomena. The movement of the stones is a beautiful example of how science can reveal the secrets of the natural world. And now for the grand reveal. The research team's findings have led to a better understanding of how similar processes might occur in other extreme environments on Earth and even other planets. The principles of rock movement in Death Valley could provide insights into geological processes on Mars and other celestial bodies. If you enjoyed this exploration of the sailing stones and their mysterious movements, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have about this fascinating natural phenomenon. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our next weird science adventure. Until next time, stay curious.